Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This makeup is with simple eyes but yet a glam look. So let's get started. Here I've just washed my face. Guys, this is a Neem and Tulsi Glow Toner. It is from the brand Good Vibes. Here I'm just patting it well. Now I'm using my most favorite moisturizer, the Nutriderma. It's with vitamin E and it's suitable for all skin types. This moisturizer takes care of redness, sunburned skin, acne scars and any kind of stretch marks. Now coming to the foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. I'm in the shade 128. Guys, this foundation is a must-buy product if you like makeup. It is a full coverage foundation and it is also matte. After Milani, this is my second most favorite foundation. Here I am using the PAC brush in the number 252. Guys, I have not used the primer here because I was just making a video. But otherwise you all can use any kind of primer, the Nykaa or Color Bar one. For those primers you can have a look in my previous videos. Here I am doing my eyebrow with an eyeshadow palette. You all already know how I do my eyebrows. I always like to show the difference in both my eyebrows. Guys, filling the eyebrows completes the look. Guys, for contouring, I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette. Here I am showing you the difference between both my cheeks. This side looks more sculpted. The purpose of contouring is that our face looks slimmer. Here I am contouring my jawline. Guys, contouring your jawline hides your double chin. Now whatever is remaining on the brush, I'm just contouring my nose. I hope you all can see the difference. Here I am contouring my forehead. Always take the contour little upward motion. Gives you a smooth finish and a blended look. Now coming to the blush, this is the palette from NYX. I am swirling my brush on all the colors to give an customized shade. As always, whatever is remaining on my brush, I just apply it on my eyes, nose, forehead, chin. Guys, just try this method once. You will find a difference. Guys, here I am using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. Here I am picking the light transition shade and I'll be softly applying it on the crease. Always apply any kind of eyeshadow in a V motion. Guys, here I am first depositing the color and then blending it very softly. Guys, now I'm picking the shimmer shade from the same palette. It is in the color, it is a shimmery dull gold. Guys, all the shades from this palette are very pigmented. Here I'm just applying it on my lid. I always like to apply any kind of shimmery shades or a glittery shade with my finger. Here I have completed with both the eyes. Guys, it's very easy to create this eye look, so do try. It is very simple but looks very elegant. Now I've picked the light shade from the same palette and applying it just below my eyebrows to just give a lift. These are the most raved highlighters from Maybelline. I'm using the shade Molten Gold. Guys, this highlighter is buttery soft and too pigmented. As always, I'm just applying it over my lips, nose, forehead, and just above my eyebrows. Guys, this highlighter is the best highlighter I have ever used. Guys, see the glow. I just love this highlighter. I just can't stop. Here I'm using the Nykaa lip pencil just to outline my lips now. Guys, these pencils are really pigmented. Guys, very soon I'll be making a video on how to outline your lips. Now I'm using the lipstick from NY Bay. This is a liquid lipstick. This liquid eyeliner is from the brand Essence. This is also an Essence mascara. I have many mascara from Essence. It is a nice mascara, just like Maybelline. Y'all can see the difference in both the eyes. If you all want, you all can also use fake lashes. Here I am using a dark eyeshadow just below my eyelid. If you'll just like it with the liner and mascara, that's fine. But otherwise, you all can also underline the eye. Here, if you all like to, you can also fill in with kajal. I am filling it with NYX pencil in the shade white. This makes your eyes look even more bright and open. Just giving a touch and defining the sides. Now I'm using the makeup spray from PAC. Guys, this spray is really good. The mist of the spray is really soft. Here I'm just applying little bit of highlighter again after the spray. It actually shows the pigmentation of the highlighter, and especially on the wet skin. And here we complete the look. I'm just opening my hair to show you all the final look. Guys, I hope you all like this video. If you like this kind of makeup look, then please do subscribe and like my channel. That's all for today. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.